Our today's ACT math question is from trigonometric equations. So let us go ahead and we'll read this question. The domain of the function y of x is equals to 3 cos 5x minus 4 plus 1 is all real numbers. So we are given the domain for this particular functions and we have to find its range, and we are given 5 options. So before we start with this question, we need to understand what is the range of cos x. So the range of the function cos x is greater than equal to minus 1 and less than equals to 1. So we can say any cos function, it lies from the value of minus 1 to 1. Any angle when we put in place of x, the result we get would always lie between minus 1 to 1. So since I know what is the range for cos x, so we can say that the range for cos of 5x minus 4 would also be from minus 1 to 1. Now we are going to try to convert this function cos as the given function yx. Now here, I'm going to multiply 3 first, as it is given here. It is multiplied with cos. So first of all, I'll multiply 3 in the next step. 3 times cos of 5x minus 4. And the two-side inequality would work same as if I were given x is greater than equal to 3 and I'm multiplying 3 in this inequality. So I would be multiplying 3 on both the sides. So in the same way, I'm going to multiply 3 here on all the sides of this inequality, which would give me 3 times of negative 1. And this inequality is less than equals to 3 times of 1. Now we have got one part of the function yx. Now I also see that we have at the end plus 1. In the same way, I'm going to add plus 1 on both sides of the inequality. First, I'm going to add plus 1 over here, and it is greater than equals to 3 times negative 1 will give us negative 3. Since we have added plus 1, there would be a plus 1 here. It's less than equals to 3 times of 1 will give us 3 and plus 1 again. So we can say that this is the function y of x, and this y of x is going to be greater than equals to negative 2. Minus 3 plus 1 will give us negative 2. And it is less than equals to 3 plus 1, that is 4, which we can see that is option D. So the correct answer is option D. Thank you.